Hey guys, it's Mary, and look what I finally have. It is the first auto ship from Diamond Press Mixed Media Kit. So it was on extended delivery, and then it seemed like it was in processing for a while, but it's finally here. So let's take a look. So each kit is supposed to have some of the foil, some of the acrylic paint, screen print, and glitter. So it looks like this time we've got, it's not a navy blue, but it is a blue. And okay, so this kit is called Thinking of You. So we've got some containers that don't want to come out. All right, hold on. All right, we've got texture paste. I now have a lot of this, so I better start using it. We've got tacky paste, and the tacky paste you use with the foil. This isn't the hot foil like with the Glimmer machine or the foil press. So one of those, each of those, and then we've got screen print in navy and screen print ink in sage, and then one glitter paste in blush. That's a pretty color. And then salmon, canary, and denim in the acrylic paints. So let's take a look at what we've got. We've got some stamps. Wait, we're stuck. We have stencils, screen print stencils stuck. Healing your way, hello to a strength and peace today and always, whatever tomorrow brings. Wishing you with love, sending you, you are in, to let you know I'm thinking of you. And then are with you. So strength and peace are with you. So these little tiny ones will go in here. But I'm pretty sure that these will match up or go with some of these. So the screen print stencil says, you've been on my mind. This is a little bird. This is a bigger bird looking in the opposite direction. And then this is just a circle with the dots. And then there's a bunch of tiny ones here. Little leaves, I'm so sorry. Thinking of you. And then two more leaf patterns. So those are the screen print stencils. And then let's look these stencils. And I think we established last time that the screen print ink could be used on paper, and it could also be used with these. So this says, "And hugs. I am here. Strength. Sending smiles." Oh, that's a nice one. Whoops, just a note. Dear friend, wishing you and my thoughts. So if you look at this, you can, they've got it so you can do my thoughts and then stamp "are with you." Healing strength, sending smiles. So you can interchange or work together the stamps and the little sayings. So you can combine them, so that's nice. And then the big stencils. Are abstract nature. It's kind of a cool one. I don't think I have anything that looks like that. I like that. Mandela. They're not my favorites, but I like this one. This isn't bad. And then daisies. That's cool. So those are the large stencils. All right, so let's see what they say here. There are instructions again for how to use the screen print and washing them right away. Tacky paste and the foil. And tips and tricks for that, tips and tricks for the texture paste, the how to use the texture paste, the glitter paste, and then the acrylic paint. And they're showing using the acrylic paint also with the little screen print stencils. So here is the combinations. So they're using the "with love" stamps, with and hugs, and then wishing you strength and peace, which is a stamp, wishing you healing, which is a stamp, just a note, and then to let you know I'm thinking of you, and then hello dear friend. So stamp, stamp, stencil, everything in gray is the stencil. To a dear friend, sending smiles your way. You're in my thoughts are with you. I'm here for you. I'm here whatever tomorrow brings. I am here today and always, wishing you strength, sending you strength. So nice, good combinations. And I'm sure you can think of your own. So I do like that, you know, in case you misplace your original instructions, that they do continue, you know, you'll get a new instruction sheet every time. Just in case, because, you know, some people might have, you know, inadvertently thrown theirs away or lost it or whatever. So that's it. This is the first mixed media auto ship kit. You know, I'm happy with them. I think there was a discussion in the beginning whether, you know, it was worth it or whatever, but I have found that a lot of my glitter paste and texture pastes and stuff, they're only good for a short time, and I had lost a lot of them. So to be able to have some fresh new, to be able to get in and not have to fuss with trying to get to, you know, thin enough to use, you know. And you know how much I love Diamond Press. You can't go wrong. So that's it, Mixed Media. So let me know if you signed up for the auto ships, or if you just bought the original one. Let me know if you've used them and what you think. I've used the screen print ink and the screen print stencils. And they were very easy to use, and there was no issue with it bleeding out or anything, you know, underneath the screen print part. Just one little, with a spatula, it was perfect. So, all right, so that's it. Leave me a comment, let me know. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you are a subscriber, thank you. If you have not subscribed yet, you can hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and it'll send you notifications when there is a new video to be watched. I think that's it. I appreciate you stopping by and watching, spending any time, whether you're a subscriber or not. Everybody is welcome and much appreciated. All right, so that's it. Leave me a comment. I'll see you in the next one. I was trying to think if I had anything left to say, but I don't. So, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Till next time. Bye-bye.